copy here, paste it here, make 50 bucks, do a dance. Copy here, paste it here, make 60 bucks, do a dance with your friends. Copy here, paste it here, make 150 bucks, mic drop, now you're dancing straight to the bank, baby. Woo! I think this dude's name's Easy Money. I think that's a street name. Check it out. What do you think? So this website's gonna pay you $7 for 1,000 words, and that's 2-star quality, but we ain't typing it. This one pays you 60 bucks for 600 words. We're not typing it. This one, 150 bucks for 3,000 words. We're not typing it. But what is this? What am I talking about here? This is money falling from the sky. That's what this is, okay? Look, it's gonna be raining down money on you. So get your piggy banks ready. Get your piggy banks ready. But this is only for the subscribers of Online Moneymaker. So hit that little red one, bottom right-hand corner, and give it a thumbs up. Doctor's orders. So let's do this now. You guys like that intro? I thought it was pretty funny. Hit the like button, baby. Dance with the machine. Look, let me tell you guys a little secret. You know, those of us that do these videos, we kind of like peek around the corner at everybody else that's doing them, you know, kind of see what they're talking about. And I'm just so sick of watching every video you watch. It's like it's not even a real person, you know? It's like it's either robot voice or they're not showing their face and they're trying to be all perfect. I just can't deal with that. I want to see a real person. Like, you know who a real person is WESLEY VIRGIN. You guys know who WESLEY VIRGIN is? That guy, you can tell he's real, you know? He's like, it's his personality, and literally the dude just films his computer with his phone. That's what his videos are, but you know what? He's watchable. I love that guy. In fact, let's see if we can get WESLEY VIRGIN to shout out this channel, Online Moneymaker. Everybody in the comment section say, hey, WESLEY VIRGIN, shout out this channel. Okay, check. Let's see if we can get him to see this, because I'm gonna put this in here right now. If you know who WESLEY VIRGin is, you're gonna love this. But if you don't, you're gonna think I'm crazy. Check this out.
WESLEY billion dollar virgin. Let's go.
I hope he sees that. We got to get him to see that. If you don't know who he is, you probably just already turned off the video, but if you do know who he is, you're still here. Thanks for watching. Okay, I'm done messing around now. Let's show you what this is all about. So I'm going to show you 3 different websites that are going to pay you to type articles, basically, but then at the end, I'm going to show you how to not do it, basically. So this first website is called textbroker.com, and basically they want to pay you to write content. So let me show you how this works. You want to go hit write content, and then you're just going to go through a few simple steps to sign up. It's very easy. Unfortunately, this one is only for US citizens, so if you're watching outside the United States, the next ones I have coming up, you can do those. But for those of you here in the United States of America, you basically verify your US citizenship, with a driver's license, passport, submit a writing sample. Don't worry, I'll show you how to do that. You'll get in. Then you get your rating, and I'll get you in at the top rating, okay? And then complete your author profile, so just, you know, call yourself Shakespeare or whatever, and then they start paying you to write. And so let me just explain to you how you're gonna get paid here. So based off the writing sample that you submit, and like I said, don't worry about it, you won't be writing that. They will place you into one of 4 different tiers. And the minimum you're gonna make here, the very minimum, if you got a 2-star rating, and I'm pretty sure my cat can write it at a higher level than that, you're gonna make $7 per 1,000 words. And the method I'm gonna show you, that's gonna take you probably like 10 seconds. So, you know, $7 times, 60 seconds, do the math. You're gonna be making a ton of money. And this one, by the way, this website is the lowest paying one I'm going to show you. And just to sweeten the deal here, they've got little bonuses. So once you write 2,500 words for them, they're gonna pay you a bonus of $5, 5,000 words. That's gonna be $10. I can pretty much guarantee you're gonna hit that in the first 30 minutes you're doing this. And then on up here, if you earn $3,000 in a quarter, that's not gonna be a problem. They're gonna give you a $150 bonus. On down to a $500 bonus if you make $10,000 in a quarter on this site. And they're also like giving you, trips to Vegas and all that, and go to the MGM Grand and talk to Felipe. He's usually at one of those craps tables I play at. So that's textbroker.com. Just write that down. You're going to need that. How this is going to work is you're just going to utilize all 3 of these websites and triple your money. This is going to be nuts. In fact, I want you to, if you go to Vegas, I want you to tell me, because we're going to hit the town. The next site on our list is called writersweekly.com. It's basically the same thing as the last one I showed you. So to get started here, you just come up to the top right and hit Write for Us. So this site just want you to be rich. So the length is only 600 words. That's all they really want, and they're going to pay you $60 for that. Okay. Now, if you look over here, for reprints, they'll pay you $30, and that means like a reprint would be like you've written something and you've sold it to somebody else in the past also. So that would be a reprint. So something that's original, which is what you'll be turning in, you're gonna get $60, and that's for 600 words. And that 600 words is like one page. Okay, this is too easy. I mean, they want to bend you over and stick money into your rear end. And with this site, what I would suggest you do, I would suggest you put a little extra effort into this, because you see the compensation they're offering. You read all this fine print, they're going to tell you exactly what they want. So if you like look at hints right here, the first thing I see is humor is always appreciated. So, and again, I'm going to show you how to basically find what they want and plug it into another website, and it's going to completely redo it and make it your own. And it's super easy. So that's writersweekly.com, the people that want to pay you $60 for one page of writing. So let's get on to the third and final one before I show you how to work this system. This one is called Advocate, but you're going to find it at gcadvocate.com. So just go to gcadvocate.com, come right here and push contribute. Look at this. These guys want to pay you $100 to $150 for articles between 1,000 and 3,000 words. That's like 1,000 words is like a page and a half, 2 pages. 3,000 words is like 4 pages. I mean, this is crazy. And you can see exactly what they want right here. They want non-technical articles on science and technology. That's perfect. Okay, keep that in mind. So just find out exactly what they want, and the next step I'm going to show you is going to blow your mind. Okay, so we've got 3 free websites. There's no charge to you that you're going to make money on. Now we're going to go to 2 more free websites. I'm going to turn you into the next Ernest Hemingway. Okay, does that sound good? If that sounds good to you, then in the words of Mr. Wesley Virgin, hit the like button. Let's go. Now, since nobody else is saying it, I'm gonna say it. Somebody find out where John Crestani gets his haircut and go burn the damn place down. Come on, man! Okay, welcome back to Online Moneymaker, where we not only give you free advice on how to make money, but also free beauty advice. I had to get that little public service message in there, but you know what's funny is I just went to his channel and somebody must have told the dude, because his hair's completely different now. Like, I don't even know if his hair's real or what, but if you go like look at his latest video, it's like it's complete change. So thank God he's got friends or family that loves him, because he went for a while with that hair. So we will be able to find all the riveting content we will possibly need here at Google News, which is a new feature. So basically what we're going to do, just you want to go back to one of those 3 sites and find what kind of articles they're looking for. So I remember that last one there wanted something about technology, so we'll just hit technology right here, and all you're gonna do, and it's very simple, just find the right one. So just for the purposes of this, we will go with this one. I'm just gonna show you real quick on how this is gonna work. So let's say, and I'm not suggesting this is the right article because it looks like an Amazon ad to me, but here's how we would do this. So just take the article, you copy it like this, okay, copy that, and then you're gonna take it over to a website called quillbot.com. Quillbot.com, we're gonna paste it right in here, paste that article there, and what we're gonna do is hit paraphrase, and this is basically gonna paraphrase that article. It's gonna reword it for us. It's gonna be basically the same thing, but it's gonna make it different so it can become ours. And we can and look, that took, how long did that take? Like 5 seconds, and just takes a couple minutes for it to load up for you. And then once it does, you can download it and put it right back over into one of those websites. They've also got a grammar checker feature here, so you can type in, an article you pull out of Google. I hope it doesn't have any grammar errors, but you never know. And this one confuses me right here. Maybe somebody can comment and tell me the difference between a paraphraser and a summarizer, because that sounds like the same thing to me. Doesn't it sound like the same thing to you? Whatever. You get the gist here, so you know what to do. You don't have to write any articles, and now you're going to be like a highly paid author here. So thanks for watching. I want you to do 2 things. I want you to like the video and subscribe to the channel. And if you still got time after that, go tell John Crestani congratulations on his new haircut.